Hello, everyone. This is Gio and
Marlene,
together we are the Information
information
Girls.
girls.
That's right. Now we're coming to you today with monetization information that we took straight from the community guidelines, and we will have the link down below so that you can go and look at this for yourself. So, Marlene, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's get started. Monetization information. To apply for membership in the YouTube Partner Program, channels must meet eligibility thresholds related to watch time and subscribers. YouTube review team ensures the channel has not run afoul of YouTube's monetization, content, or copyright policies. Only channels that meet eligibility thresholds and follow all of our guidelines will be admitted to the program, which makes them eligible to receive access to ads and other monetization products. Okay,
Wow.
here are the minimum eligibility requirements to join. All right, you must follow all YouTube monetization policies. The YouTube monetization policies are a collection of policies that allow you to monetize on YouTube. As a YouTube partner, your agreement, including the YouTube Partner Program policies, require compliance with these monetization policies to potentially earn money on YouTube. Number one, you must live in a country or region where the YouTube Partner Program is available. Number two, have more than 4,000 valid watch hours in the last 12 months. Number three, have more than 1,000 subscribers. Number four, have a linked AdSense account. Everyone who meets our threshold can apply for the YouTube Partner Program, but you do need to meet some of our guidelines to be considered. This checklist is meant to guide you through the application process. Make sure your channel follows our policies and guidelines. So they're telling you 3 or 4 times, to make sure
Yeah.
that your channel follows their policies and guidelines. Okay? When you apply, you'll go through a standard review process to check whether your channel meets our policies and guidelines. Channels that meet our policies and guidelines will be accepted into the program. We also constantly check channels in the program that's already been monetized, y'all, to make
Yeah.
sure they continue to meet our policies and guidelines.
Yes.
Now, this is one thing that you must do, okay? Uh, and they tell you when you get ready to be in review, all right? Enable your two-step verification for your Google account, which means you are protecting your account and both with both your password and a second device. All right.
Mm.
Not having a two-step verification may cause a delay in your application review. So YouTube highly recommends enabling your two-step verification for your Google account. Okay, so if
Mm.
you have not done that, please go do that. Okay, and Marlene and I will do a video on how to enable your two-step uh,
Verification.
verification. Right. All right. All right. Now it says this over and over again because YouTube wants you to understand what you must have. Have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours. When we assess channels for the YouTube Partner Program, we need content. When you reach this threshold, it usually means that you have more content. The threshold helps us make a informed decision about whether your channel meets our policies and guidelines. You can apply for the Y or the YouTube program once you reach this threshold. So you must have content on your channel, right, Molly?
You must.
I mean, and you cannot have the silent stuff, like the bubbles. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Come on, don't act like you don't know. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
You can't have just nothing, just one thing, your camera pointing at one thing. To me, that's not content, and to YouTube, I don't think they like that. Okay, so what they're saying here is you need content on your channel, right, Marlene?
Yes, they mean actual videos that you made.
Thank you. Okay, now it's time for Marlene to talk about the second half of this.
Okay, so you can ask to be notified when you reach the subscriber and public watch hour threshold. And once your channel meets the threshold, you have to follow these instructions. Okay, guys? In the top right, click your profile picture and then YouTube Studio. Then in the left menu, click Monetization. If you're under the threshold, click Notify Me when I'm eligible to get an email. You'll receive an email when you've reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. If you meet the threshold, click Start on the Review Partner Program Terms card. Once you've signed the term, we'll mark this step with a green Done sign on the Review Partner Program Terms card. So make sure you have one AdSense account as part of the application process, and you'll need to connect an AdSense account to get paid. So click Start on the Sign Up for Google AdSense card. And if you already have an AdSense account, use the one that's already approved. You can link as many of your channels as you want to a single AdSense account.
Right. And you know what? So if you have one AdSense account already, like I did way before I came to YouTube, and so what I did was I linked Boss Life Online to that account. I linked Team Build with Geo to that account. I linked Advertising Junction Recipes to that account. So everything that I make from those accounts will help me get, I believe, to that $100 because it's all linked to one account. That's what I'm thinking. Do you think that too, Marlene?
I think that too. Okay. So now that we've talked about that, so once you get reviewed, so you're in review. Once you sign up for the partner program and the terms and connect an AdSense account, your channel will automatically be put in review, in the review queue. So our automated system and human reviewers will then review your channel content and check whether your account has followed our guidelines. So you can check your application status anytime at studio.youtube.com/channel/UC/monetization. So if you're accepted into the YouTube Partner Program or YPP, congratulations. Now you can set up your preferences and enable monetization on your uploads. And here is a list of the facts that we can get from creators who have just joined YPP. So if you've been rejected from the YouTube Partner Program, our reviewers found that a significant portion of your channel does not meet our policies and guidelines. You can reapply 30 days after your rejection and check that you've joined the YouTube Partner Program. So you can check our facts for tips on how to strengthen your application in the review process.
Yeah.
Our human reviewers will assess your channel as a whole and check whether your account meets our YouTube monetization policies. We'll get back to you with a decision once your channel is reviewed, typically about a month after you meet the threshold.
Wow. So that means that sometimes if your channel is missing some information, or you're not hooked up to AdSense, or they disagree or something like that about your channel, it may take up to a month for you to get monetized. But in most cases, it's practically a week or 2 or 3 days, sometimes a day. I've seen, So let me just say this, guys, and we're going to bring this to a close. This is a note that I found in the community guidelines that you guys want to know about. Sometimes you may need to wait more than a month, okay? There can be multiple reasons for this delay. Higher than usual application volumes, system issues, or we may occasionally need to shift resources. Now, YouTube policy specialists try to get through applications as fast as possible, but delays can happen because we have a limited number of specialists. Now, here's something that they put in the community guidelines, I think, because this question has come up a lot. So here is the question. Can you speed up my application? Okay. Their answer is no. Our team can't speed up your application. All applications are put in a queue and will be processed in the order they have been received. Sometimes channels require multiple reviews, especially when multiple reviewers disagree on your channel's suitability for the program. Wow. In these cases, multiple reviews may be needed, which means it may take more time for a decision to be made. So, guys, if you follow the community guidelines and policies, you won't even have to go through this. Make some good content. That is why I think, people's applications get delayed because of the content that's on the channel. Okay? All right. Now, here's a biggie. And listen up really good. Stay active to keep making money. What did I say, Marlene?
Stay active to keep making money.
All right. Y'all heard that. Now, listen what they said. Okay? As the YouTube Partner Program continues to grow, it's important to maintain a healthy, active ecosystem of channels. To focus our support for creators who are active and engaged with the community. Now, I'm going to just say something here. They focus their support on people that engage with the community and put up videos all the time. That's why YouTube focus their support. Okay. Okay. Then they said the reason why that they focus like that is to protect the creators who are following the guidelines and the procedures that they have there. Right. Okay. So if you're not doing that, this is what they may disable monetization on your channels that haven't uploaded a video or posted to the community tab for more than 6 months or more. Okay, so you can get demonetized just for not doing nothing. I mean,
Yep.
if your channel is not active, you're not trying to put up no videos, and you're not trying to continue to uh, get watch time hours and all of this for your channel, then yes, uh, they say they may disable monetizations on channels that haven't uploaded a video or posted to the community tab for 6 months. But they also said to me is that you must be doing something so that you can make money.
Mm-hmm.
If you're not posting no content, you're not keep posting on your community tab, letting your subscribers know what's going on, then you're not going to make any money. So if you're here to make money on YouTube, you must follow what YouTube say to do. So that is the end of our session for today on monetization information. I hope you guys enjoyed it because I did. And Marlene, would you like to say something?
Yes, guys. And that's the reason why Gio and I have done this video and did some research and found it from the guidelines, is because this is not hearsay. This is not gossip. This is right from the guidelines. So you know exactly, not just from our words, exactly what the guidelines have said. And now you know as well if you would just follow it.
Right. So anything that me and Marlene bring to you will be straight from the community guidelines. Okay? No rumors, just the facts. Okay? And you heard it from the information
Yeah,
girl.
girl.
Bye bye, everybody.